Hi everyone. Most people quit PR way too early. Not because it doesn't work, but because they don't see results fast enough. They send 5 pitches, get no reply, and suddenly they think they are bad at PR. But here's the truth. PR confidence isn't built from viral coverage, it's built from small wins. In this video, I'm going to show you how tracking your micro successes can literally rewire how confident you feel doing PR. Here's what usually happens. You send 10 pitches, you get one reply, maybe zero coverage, and your brain goes like, this isn't working. But PR is momentum based, and if you don't track the right things, you will feel like you are failing, even when you are improving. Confidence doesn't come from results, it comes from evidence. So we then start tracking our micro successes. Now, you might be wondering what micro successes are. So, these are those tiny signals that shows that you're actually improving. For example, a journalist opened your email, you got a reply even if it's a no, or maybe someone asked for more info, or your pitch was shorter and clearer than the last time, or maybe you followed up consistently. These are not some, vanity metrics. They are skill indicators, something that actually shows those little improvements in yourself. When you track only coverage, you feel like you're at zero. But when you track micro wins, you start seeing the growth. For example, week 1 could be 10 pitches, 0 replies. Week 3 could be 10 pitches, 2 replies, one journalist asking for clarification. That's the improvement right there. But if you only look at published articles, you will miss the progress. Here's what I recommend for beginners to create a tracker, something like this, where you have columns, date, journalist name, pitches sent, opened, replied, requested info, coverage, notes. This isn't about ego. This is about momentum. And here's the fun part. Your brain needs proof, and if you don't track wins, your brain assumes you're losing. But if you see 3 replies this month, or 5 opens, or 2 follow up conversations, you start feeling capable. And trust me, confident people write better pitches. Confidence improves quality, quality improves responses, and responses improve confidence. That's the whole loop. And there is also one more thing that is, of course, optional, but is something that I try myself and I really like it, which is to gamify your entire PR campaign. You can maybe start giving yourself points. For example, whenever you send a pitch, give yourself 1 point. Whenever you get a reply, give yourself 3 points. Whenever journalists follow up question, give yourself 5 points. And whenever there is a coverage, give yourself 10 points. Now you are building streaks instead of waiting for miracles. If you are new to PR, stop chasing big wins first. You need to chase consistency. You need to you need to track small improvements. You need to notice progress, build evidence, because the truth is that most people don't fail at PR. They quit before momentum kicks in. So if you want this microwin tracker template, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want more beginner friendly PR breakdowns, subscribe to this channel because we are building confidence one small win at a time. Thank you.